All right, hello guys, hello. Good morning to you all investors. It is such a crazy morning, okay? Such a crazy morning. The stocks are up over 3%. It's a good day. It is a good day if you have your money. It's a good day considering the horrible week last week. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about why the stock market is up so much, and we'll talk about the 3 stocks that I told you guys to buy last week and what prices that you guys should be selling at now that the stocks are up, right? Because this is very, very important. You just ruined my take, babe. That's okay. I'll just leave you in. So before we get started, I'd just like to ask you guys to please hit the like button. It would really help me out. And please hit subscribe because I am trying to hit 300 subscribers by June. Right? 300 subscribers. I'm at 124 subscribers right now. 300 subscribers by June 30th. And by June 30th, 300 subscribers, which is a month and a half. I'm pretty sure I can do it if I just post every single day. So please help me out. I would really much appreciate it. Okay, so the reason why the stock market is up today is because Moderna, right? It's a $30 billion biotech company that is focused on making the vaccine for the coronavirus. And it was just announced today that their trials are seeing phenomenal results. And they are about to move from phase 2 to phase 3 of the vaccine testing. So that is a very, very big deal. Right? And because of that news, their stock jumped up 25%. 25%. It was $60-something yesterday. It was $60-something on Friday. Now it's at $83. $83, 25%. So let's give a little bit of background. I was actually a bio major, so these things are very interesting to me. I'll just give you guys a brief background of how the vaccine works, just so you guys can understand it, and then you read more about it later. But so from what I know, the vaccine is mRNA based. So a DNA makes mRNA, and then mRNA goes out the nucleus, and then it makes proteins. Right? So how they make the vaccine is that they take the mRNA of the coronavirus, and then they produce the proteins that the virus would make. Right? And then afterwards, they inject that mRNA and that protein into the host, right, the person, right, the person, and then that person starts to develop antibodies because those proteins are what identifies the virus as the coronavirus. But that protein does not get you sick. It is just a marker to identify the virus. So once the person's antibodies sees that protein and kills that protein, it starts to recognize that thing as a foreign invader, and then it starts to develop antibodies against the coronavirus. And that is the very, very basic of how the virus works. Obviously, that's not the whole thing, but in a nutshell, that's how it works. So because it is just the mRNA and the protein and not the actual virus itself, people who take the vaccine do not get sick. The traditional vaccine today gives you a weakened version of the virus, of the actual virus. So some people who actually take the vaccine actually do get sick from the flu when they get the flu shot. They actually do get sick. Right? But this one, right, you don't get sick because you don't actually get the virus. You get the protein indicator, the protein marker that tells the antibodies to actually attack the proteins without those markers. So yeah, that was just a little nerdy bio guy in me, but I thought that was very, very cool, very amazing. And the thing is, Moderna started this study like 2 months ago. 2 months ago, Gilead had their old drug that they were testing for Ebola and other viruses, and then it just so happens that it works on the coronavirus. Totally different. Moderna is going at lightning speed with these trials. So very, very interesting and very, very cool. So that is why the stock market is up so much. Okay, so let's talk about the three stocks that I mentioned last week that I said would go up a lot this week. And that would be Boeing, Spirit Aerosystems, and United Airlines. So, first off, major news. Boeing is doing absolutely fantastic. And let's look at why. So today is just a very big day for Boeing. So first off, Moderna. The fact that Moderna came out today is a big rally for Boeing. But more specifically towards Boeing is that Boeing wins a $2.6 billion deal for Slammer and Harpoon missiles. $2.6 billion contracts. So they won a $2.6 billion contracts for Saudi Arabia and other countries. So and that's a big thing, especially when they are in need of cash right now. Getting those deals are very big. So in this article, it says that Boeing Company recently secured two contracts worth a combined $2.6 billion for manufacturing air-to-surface and anti-ship missiles for Saudi Arabia and other nations across the globe. Both contracts have been awarded by Naval Air Systems Commander Patriotic River, Maryland. So yeah, Boeing contract in addition to the Moderna news. Great day. Great day for Boeing. Great day for Boeing. But there's more. There is more. Saudi Arabia on a pandemic bargain hunt. Buys shares in Facebook, Disney, Boeing, and others. So, Saudi Arabia, a very rich country because they have a lot of oil. They have a lot of oil. They just announced that they were buying up, well, right here. So the oil-rich kingdom's $300 billion sovereign wealth fund has picked up shares worth $500 million each. $500 million each in Walt Disney, Facebook, Marriott Internationals, and Cisco Systems. Wait, there's no Boeing. Let's continue reading. The Saudi Public Investment Fund. The Saudi Public Investment Fund also invested $522 million in Citigroup, $488 million in Bank of America, and the fund picked up $714 million in Boeing. Almost $750 million into Boeing. So because of that, because the Saudi Arabia bought shares in Boeing, and because Boeing got two new contracts worth $2.6 billion, their stock, their stock is now up, at the time of recording, is up 12%. It's at $34.35. I mean, I personally thought that today and tomorrow would be a very good start for the week in terms of the stock market. But this is pretty crazy. Obviously, nobody expected it would jump up this much. So, yeah, it's up 12%, $134 at the time of recording. It might hit $135 before the day ends. Very big deal. And when Boeing goes up, like a lot of other companies go up. The other company that went up is Spirit. Spirit. If you guys don't know what Spirit is, because most people don't, it's not a very well-known company, but Spirit is the #1 manufacturer for Boeing. So if Boeing is going up, Spirit will definitely go up because it's the #1 manufacturing company for Boeing. It manufactures the body and the wings for the Boeing airplanes. So very big deal. Something that you should be paying attention to if you are into Boeing. And today it is up to 21%. Sorry. No, it's $21. Today it is up 14%. 14%. Crazy. 14%. Now, Now, the best is yet to come because today United Airlines is up 20% at the time of recording. 20%. It was up $4 today. Just today alone, it's up $4. And the reason why is probably because of Moderna. When Moderna is up, everyone is up because if we get a vaccine as quickly as possible, then everything else will end very, very soon. So, very, very good news. Very good news for everyone. So, I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are in the stock market today, you guys will have a good day. It just depends on like how good of a day. If you guys have a 5%, definitely like 3 to 5% is pretty normal. Good would be 10% and up. All of these stocks that I recommended last week are up double digits. I'm very surprised. Alright, so today is a very, very good day. And personally, I think that tomorrow is also going to be a good day. I don't know if it'll be as good today, but I'm pretty sure that it will go up a little bit tomorrow. And then it'll probably die down around Wednesday. So be careful around Wednesday. But tomorrow should be a very good day. And when things are up, you should consider selling. Right? Sell when it's hot. You do not want to hold stocks over the top period because it's gonna go right back down again. So here are the price targets that I think these stocks will hit and when you should sell them. Because selling is the most important thing that you guys can do right now. You guys do not have any money until you sell these stocks, and so make sure you guys pick a good point to sell. Okay, so these are the price points. Okay, so for Boeing, I gave it a price target of $142 plus minus $3. Okay, so currently it is at $134. It was up $14 today. $142 is just another $8. I am fairly confident in that tomorrow morning it'll hit $142. Very confident. My estimates are very low because I think that you should get out when you make profit. Right? If you make a profit, get your money and run. Right? Take your money and run. Obviously, you can make $1 or $2 more on these things if you hold it another day. But when it goes up this fast, it also drops just as fast. So be very careful about it. But for me, I'd say the price target for Boeing is $142, plus or minus $3. And if you look at the 5-day chart, it is already trading above last week. It's already trading above last week. My target is $142, and then plus or minus 3, so probably around $142 to $145. I'd say that's a very good time to sell. And the reason why I'm telling you guys to sell is because Boeing still has a lot of problems. Okay? The airline problems, they haven't disappeared. Okay, people are still not flying for a period of time. It's only until Moderna finishes phase 3, which they are not at phase 3 yet. They have to finish phase 3 and then go out and produce. And then the stocks would go up. But they haven't done that yet. So be very careful. The airline problems are still there. The problems are still there. They haven't disappeared. So wait till tomorrow and then sell it at probably around $142 to $145. I'm fairly confident that it can hit there. Next, we have Spirit Aerosystems. Spirit Aerosystems, my target price is $23 plus minus 50 cents. So right now, Spirit Aerosystems is up 14%, almost 15%. It's at $21. It is up $2.70. In my opinion, Spirit Aerosystems is actually safer than Boeing because Boeing has to keep Spirit Aerosystems alive because they make the planes for Boeing. So if Boeing's going to go up, Spirit Aerosystems is going to go up a lot faster because they have dropped a lot more than Boeing. And if people see that Boeing is on the way up, they will buy Spirit Aerosystems before Boeing because because at its 52-week high, it's at $92. Right? And that is almost a 5x return if it goes back to its original price. And so it has more room to grow than Boeing. And also, Boeing can't let Spirit die because Spirit makes Boeing's parts. It is more likely that Boeing would take some of its own money and give it to Spirit just so that it can survive through this financial crisis. And so, Spirit Air System should be very safe. So that's why my target for Spirit is so high. It's $23. That means it needs to go up another $2, which is around 10%, which is an additional 10%. I think that tomorrow morning it's very likely that it'll go up another 10% tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, not saying by the end of the day, but tomorrow morning I think it can go up another 10%. Now for United Airlines. Oh boy, United Airlines. My target for United Airlines is $26, plus minus 75 cents. United Airlines, currently it is up 20%. That's just crazy. That's just so crazy. But United Airlines is up 20%. Is at $24 right now. I think on a conservative note, okay, airlines are always pretty risky, but I'd say give it another $2, $2 to $3. So that's why my target for United Airlines is $26 plus minus 75 cents. So these are conservative estimates, except Spirit. Spirit is kind of not as conservative, but I think it'll definitely hit these numbers. But just make sure that you guys get out when you guys make a profit. So I'm pretty sure that tomorrow United Airlines is gonna hit $26. I'm pretty sure that Boeing is gonna hit $142. Spirit Air System probably $22.50. I think it's gonna hit $22.50, if not $23. So make sure that you guys get out when you guys make a profit. Personally, I think that tomorrow is gonna be another green day. It's gonna be another positive day. But I think that it's not gonna rally as much as it did today. So if you want, you can hold it past tomorrow, but be careful on Wednesday. Right? If you guys are gonna hold it past tomorrow, sell it early Wednesday. Right? So the time that you should sell it is called the power hour. The power hour is from 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. That is where most of the volatility of the stock market takes place. Right? After that hour, things are relatively up and down, but pretty consistent throughout the day. The second power hour is 1 hour before it closes, so that's from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. So the first and last hour of the trading day is called the power hour, and that is where most of the volatility takes place. So if you are going to sell these stocks tomorrow or on Wednesday, I wouldn't hold it past Wednesday. Holding anything past Wednesday, unless you want to hold it for long term, that's when you want to hold it. But anything past Wednesday is risky if you are a short-term player. But if you're going to sell it tomorrow or Wednesday, sell it during the power hour. First hour of the market and the last hour of the market. But I think tomorrow should be a very, very safe day. Wednesday is iffy. So be careful with that. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys had a very, very good day today. I know that I did. I made 20% profit today in my account. I'll show you guys that later. But alright, that's all I have for you guys today. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers by June 30th. So I have about a month and a half left to hit 300 subscribers. 300 subscribers! Alright, please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. And Thank you guys for watching. And so, all right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.